parasite and some a parasite. Some of them a devil, me say some a. Me say some up on me right and me say some up on me left.
Yeah, man. The wiring gone in already, man. Yeah. Right now, the paving are the problem right now. Because the whole heap of rain will fall, no work can go on. Yeah, man. As soon as it ease up, man. And right now, I want the front of the place to look proper. You know. Right now, it look like we ought to get out some rain in the evening. Yo, here what? They're coming to town tomorrow. So we talk, see? Alright. Bless. John. I feel a paint over the sign in the pool. John, star. I wonder if I can use some pretty stone or, instead of the paint.
Babe, what you do? Talk to yourself?
No, I just contemplate whether I'm going to paint this over or get some pretty stone and just decorate it.
Stone in the pool where people have to walk? I'll use a madman.
Well, I just think about it.
What do here? Where you buy the food there?
Which food?
Not this. The one where you bring home last night. It bad.
Oh, that. I know all about my bite.
No, man. Them are going with themselves. Food tastes real good.
Camille. You alright? Camille.
Trevor!
Camille.
Trevor?
Camille, you alright?
You alright? What you that dream about?
Me did that dream say you drop off our building.
Drop off our building? Like this, Rowena?
Yeah. Anyway, come on, it's just a dream.
Trevor, it's not just a dream. Cause of broad daylight. That more sound like a vision.
Which vision, Camille? After me no Prophet Muhammad. A daydream mean a daydream.
Daydream. Normal people dream good things in the day. Some must a vision. Cause a dream say may drop off a building. So what kind of daydream that?
Camille, what food is in the fridge?
That? Me eat that.
You do what?
It nice you fret. Oh, where you buy it?
I want a restaurant in Ola.
I forgot to have lunch there one day.
Lunch?
Lunch or dinner? Whichever.
Camille, that food there for all that.
Watch ya. Something wrong with you. You see if you don't want to carry me, just tell me where. Me will carry myself.
Yes, ma'am.
Bizzle? What you doing here? What happened to the chef?
They're not show up, so let's get the show down.
So, what about the order for the meeting at the hotel?
That gone out already, ma'am.
Bizzle, let me tell you about the mom thing.
I just respect me and show, ma'am.
Listen, just call me Miss Nicey instead of mom.
Alright, ma'am. I mean, Miss Nicey.
So, I'ma ask you something. Them get the market things them already?
Me go pick them up.
So about the meeting where you did for go?
Just come back from the meeting.
Bizzle, me not tell you if you make Caroline and Shawty do the market run them.
You like talk to big people like them a pick me,